right? And then we're going to do two sets of things. First, we're going to do their awards, and then we're going to talk about something else that students had an opportunity to do. So, again, these are all voted on by these students. So first, for most musical, students selected Charlotte. Most improved, and I 100% agree because this student had me, that didn't have me, that had me again, back and forth, Michael. Bando Commando Award, Andrew. The Bob Ross Award for this group. Again, this is someone who's working through it, never giving up, all that fun stuff, where it's like, I don't want to do this, but I'm going to keep pushing myself anyway. Leela. And again, this is the True Wildcat Award. This is someone that they became their own greeting. So, Ashanti. Now, something else that our students got to do this year. So in April, our students participated in something called Solo and Ensemble, which we hosted here, which as your students get older, they actually get to help run the event. We had about 800 students from different middle schools and high schools here on April 5th. We had a great number of beginners participate this year. So I'm going to ask any student that participated in Solo and Ensemble to please stand up, as including my jazz band students. Yeah. Now, notice that I believe almost everybody is wearing a blue ribbon. That means that they receive a superior rating. You only receive a medal if you earn a superior. So just to give you context though, just to kind of tell you about what our band program has been doing overall, because we have a jazz assessment, we have concert band assessments, and then solo and ensemble, which is an individual assessment. So these are students that chose to do this. This was not like you're doing this, you have a choice. They all elected to do this. We had 70 superior ratings that day. 70. Our students are amazing. Our our jazz band, which you're going to hear in a couple more minutes, they received straight superior ratings at their assessment, and our concert dance, which is our wind ensemble, and our symphonic band, which these students will be part of next year, both also, for the first time I've been here, they received straight superiors across the board everywhere. So this year, we have nothing but like superior to talk about. So the students, they're amazing. So one more time for these awesome. Okay, we're gonna finish up our portion with, again, their challenging piece. We selected The Incredibles. And if you know anything about The Incredibles, it's hard, but it's awesome. So please enjoy